I'm Matt Childs and I'm the garden designer of B&Q's Bursting Busy Lizzie garden. The star of our garden is obviously the Busy Lizzie. It's a new disease-resistant variety and we've brought it back, planting it in a new contemporary way. We've taken inspiration from nature. They grow in East Africa underneath exotic foliage, within shade, and we've tried to kind of capture that within the planting within the garden. So hopefully people are going to be inspired by planting Busy Lizzies and bedding plants in a completely different way. So the garden is a feel-good factor garden. It's full of lots of inspiration. We've created kind of bars, we've created an area for sleeping, lots of areas for entertainment, relaxation. It really is the feel-good factor party garden. It's so exciting to have the garden here now built and to be able to enjoy it. It's been a real challenge building it in such scorching heat, but the garden looks beautiful. It's one of 15 show gardens here, loads of inspirational ideas, and I'm really hoping that this garden as well will kind of give the public lots and lots of inspiration.